Welcome to another episode of Zach's Kitchen. Today we'll be making creamy corn with bacon. So let's get started. The ingredients we need are onions and peppers, bacon, corn, soup, and French's fried onions. Mix everything but the French's fried onions into a bowl. Pan and add some French's fried onions and then put it in the oven. Thanks for watching. If you are watching this on YouTube, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and hit that notifications bell for new videos. And if you're watching this on my Facebook group, don't forget to comment down what we should make next. And don't forget to leave a like. Bye!